Hello friends, in this lecture we shall discuss right of subrogation. What is right of subrogation? Friends, according to provisions of Indian Contract Act, when a guarantor in a loan is called upon to pay the loan after default by borrower, this right becomes available to the guarantor. This means the right of subrogation is right of a guarantor. It is available under Indian Contract Act, and it is available when the guarantor is called upon to pay the loan by bank after default by the borrower and he makes payment of the loan. Now, under this right, guarantor has the right to benefit of every security available with the bank. All securities of the loan, the benefit of those securities becomes available to the guarantor once he makes payment of the loan after default by the borrower. This benefit is available irrespective of whether the guarantor had knowledge about those securities or not. So the right of subrogation is right of a guarantor after repayment of loan by him when he is called upon to pay after default by the borrower. Under this right, the guarantor has benefit of every security which bank was having against the borrower, and this right is available irrespective of the fact whether the surety, the guarantor, knew about existence of such security or not. Under right of subrogation, if bank, that is a creditor, parts with such security without consent of the guarantor is discharged to the extent of value of that security. Now, we shall see this example. Bank disburses a loan of rupees 20 lakh to Z. Loan is secured by two securities. One, security of NSEs with maturity value rupees 5 lakh. Second security, guarantee of X. In this case, on date of maturity, these NSEs are handed over by bank to Z for encashment. But Z does not deposit this money in the loan account. He takes this money. Now, in this case, bank negligently parted with the security. So, there was no consent of the guarantor. In this case, the liability of a guarantor, that is X, will be reduced to the extent of maturity value of these NSEs. So whenever the creditor parts with such security without consent of the surety, the guarantor is discharged to the extent of value of that security. This right of subrogation, it protects the interest of the guarantor, and it also empowers the guarantor to recover the amount paid to the bank from the securities available with the bank. In other words, we can say the guarantor steps into shoes of the bank once he makes a payment of the loan by way of his right of subrogation. So right of subrogation protects the interest of the guarantor and empowers him to recover the amount paid to the bank from the securities available with the bank. Well friends, I'm sure this concept will be clear to you and you will be benefited by contents of this lecture. Thank you for watching the video.